No!
What the fuck is this guy doing?
Old, fool. She's old.
Who's old? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be making more videos just like this on all sorts of cool stuff. Thanks for watching. Elotes, tamales. Business sucks. Hey, my friend, you need one of these. Elote, raspador.
You want to sell corn? You gotta have a good horn.
I'm gonna need a better horn. Timmy has a brilliant idea of stealing
Borrowing.
a shopping cart
Borrowing.
from fucking Cardenas. It's all good, baby.
That's the victim right there.
Alright, we'll wait till this guy goes inside because he's probably watching the carts. Got it, son. Keep your eyes on the prize, boys. Get it, Timmy.
Several days later.
Alright, so check it out. We're mounting the wiring for the train horn. We're doing two different connectors. One connector for the compressor, just power and ground, and then the other connector is going to control the compressor turn on and the horn itself. So it's not too bad. It's pretty easy, I'm saying. We're using these battery jumper connectors. You usually see these on like what do you say, like
winches.
Commercial. Yeah, winches too, huh? Winches and like commercial stuff where they just need to charge a vehicle or jump another vehicle. So these are like jumper cable connectors, I guess you could call them. So we're using these for the main power and ground. The other one, we're going to use the trailer connector like this. Trailer wiring, 4-pin, old school style. That's going to work great for our valve control and our compressor on and off. So we're going to do this on this side. We're going to obviously going to cut this. God damn. And then this is going to be on this side. And then we'll have two connectors we could disconnect and remove the tank and compressor assembly when we want to go to the river, right, Timmy?
That's right.
Because Timmy wants to get wet. He don't want these horns getting wet. So we're going to be able to take this off easily just by unplugging it. Shouldn't be too bad of a deal. We're going to put some dielectric lube in here to keep it from corroding. All right, so we got most of the wiring done. It's all ready to go. The problem is I wasn't paying attention to these three wires. One of them is the ground. The other two is one for the horn control and one for the compressor control. I'm trying to add air to this, so I want the compressor control, but I don't know which one it is. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to test it. So I got my earplugs, and hopefully this is Russian roulette and we don't hit the horn. Oh shit. Okay, so that's the horn. Yellow's horn. Alright, well I sit back and relax and drink myself a Sprite. Timmy's doing all the work. We finished up the wiring on the compressor tank side, and it's ready to go, plug and play, and we're just running the wire right now. We're not gonna run it yet, but Timmy's running the wire. We're wrapping conduit all over the power and ground, and this is gonna have our controls for the compressor and the horn solenoid, and then we'll get to running it on the truck right now. All right, it's time to run the wiring from the front of the truck all the way to the back, since we're gonna be able to disconnect and reconnect this train horn whenever Timmy wants for the river. We're gonna set it up so it disconnects right here, right in front of, or right behind this diff. So we'll start running it here. We'll zip tie to this lube. We'll run it against all the frame on the left-hand side, the driver's side. Then we'll hook up our power and ground to our battery. And on these diesels, there's a battery on the driver's side as well. So we'll hook these up to the battery on the driver's side. And then this wire that Timmy got, has got 4 of them in here. Actually, we're only using 3. One's a ground, the other 2 are controls for our solenoid and our compressor. And we'll run those straight to the Switch Pros, baby. No fuses needed, because Switch Pros is the bomb. So we'll do that now. We'll save you this boring time of us running it. You've seen us run wire before, And if you've never run wire before, check out some of our other videos, especially the rock lights one. We ran wire all from the front to the back on all 4 corners. All right, we're finishing up the wiring. All that's left is to connect the power for the power and ground for the compressor, and to connect the solenoid circuit and the compressor circuit. And those are going to our switch pole, so make sure you keep your accessories. We already know which one is which. Green is going to go to our compressor for switch 5. For switch 7, which is purple, we're going to use that to command the horn. All right, the last step is to take the spare wheel off, and we're going to put the horn in its place. So we're going to unlock it. Timmy's going to get down and dirty and get that for us. Right, Timmy? Yeah, put it sideways. That's what she said, put it sideways. All right, take that fucking big ass wheel out. All right, easy way to do this is you get a creeper, which I can never find. And there it is. Put the horn on it. What? It looks like it's almost in, hell yeah. I'll start winding this up while Timmy's fucking wrestling with the fucking Hornblasters. Look at these vatos over here struggling. We're having the hardest fucking time right now. This fucking thing's supposed to like stop and hit something, but it's like it bottoms out. This bottoms out and we can't go up anymore. I don't know what to do. So we're just gonna fucking quit. Fuck it. Alright. She's all wired up. We had to build a little wood frame to sit on because it wouldn't just bolt up just like that, but it's legit. We might build one out of metal another time. Right now it's good to go, baby. Woohoo! Alright, she's all done. Alright, so we're setting up the settings on the Switch Pros so that the horn switch is momentary, because right now we turned it on and it was like on completely until we turned it off and we didn't know what the fuck was going on. But anyways, now it should be momentary. Try it. Hit the... Oh hell yeah, that's exactly what we want. Let's do this shit. We gotta go return the fucking shopping cart from the skit. We're gonna go to Cardenas right now. I mean, we didn't take anything from Cardenas. We borrowed it. Get him, get him. Woo! We're back to home. Yeah, damn fool, you're fat. What'd you get? What do you think? I said
I think it's worth it.
Hornblasters fucking is pretty badass. What do you think, CJ?
It's fucking loud, dude.
It's fucking loud. Alright, so it's over, day's over, freaking sun's going down. Man, that's a beautiful fucking sunset, dude. Look at the colors. That's crazy. Anyways.
Alright guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Hell yeah. Thank you, Hornblasters. Peace out. Elotes. Oh, it worked!